Hello, hello, hello. Happy speaking. You're in the Easy Speaking Speak Easy. I'm Marianna Swallow, founder of Speak Easy Strategies. This is a great time to give us a like or subscribe. If you don't like us, send this video to somebody you can't stand. I'm the founder of Speak Easy Strategies, and we are a team of speakers, facilitators, and executive coaches specializing in making corporate communications and public speaking easy. And today's a special day. This is an extra speech of the week-ish. Today is Guy Goma Day, and I gotta admit, I did not know who this guy was until a couple days ago, but we are coming up to the 20th anniversary, or actually, by the time I post this, it is the 20th anniversary of the day the BBC interviewed the wrong guy. And this was not only a great lesson in media snafus and what not to do, but I think the bigger lesson is from Guy Goma, who was mistaken as an expert, put on camera when he really showed up for a job interview, and he just went with it. So I'm not going to say too much. Let's take a look at it, and I'll talk about it in a minute. This is a short one. My last one was super long. Let me share my screen. All right, here we go. This is pretty fun. You'd see he's kind of like, what the heck? This is my job interview.
What does this all mean for the industry and the growth of music online? Well, Guy Goma is the editor of the technology website News Wireless. Hello, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Were you surprised by this verdict today?
I'm very surprised to see this verdict to come on me, because I was not expecting that. When I came, they told me something else, and I'm coming. You got an interview there, so it's a big surprise anyway.
A big surprise.
Exactly.
Yes, yeah. With regards to the cost that's involved, do you think now more people will be downloading online?
Actually, if you can go everywhere, you're gonna see a lot of people downloading to the internet and the website everything they want. But I think it's much better for the development and to improve people what they want and to get on the easy way and so fast the things they're looking for.
This does really seem to be the way the music industry is progressing now, that people want to go onto the website and download music.
Exactly. You can go everywhere on the cyber cafe and you can check. You can go easy. It's going to be a very easy way for everyone to get something to the internet.
Thank
So that was kind of fortuitous there. Wow, my hair's bugging me. First they said, is this verdict surprising? And did you catch that? He hinted at that. He said, this was surprising to me. I thought I was supposed to go to the interview. He hinted at that. But you can also tell the moment, what I call the oh shit moment, pardon my language, but when they say Guy Goma, and you see the like, oh shit, but he just went with it. And what's funny is, this was in 2006, he said that yes, everyone's going to want to listen to music online or download it to their computer. So he was kind of prescient. And I'm going to put a link to the New York Times story that wrote about Guy Goma, the story from this year, not 20 years ago, but the story from the Times has the whole chronology of what happened and how he's actually stayed in touch with people from the BBC since then. Okay, so this is what I want you to take away from this. Guy Goma, thinking on his feet, thrown into a situation where he had no preparation, granted, through no fault of his own, but what grace he had under pressure. And this is why people contact me all the time. I don't know what to do when I'm on the spot. He's a masterclass in how to do this. If you want to work on it some more, go ahead and hit me up. And again, click down below, give us a like or subscribe. Thanks so much. This has been the Easy Speaking Speak Easy. I'm Marianna Swallow. Happy speaking.